Okay, I hate having you out in the dark, right? But I just left the gym. And I had. Let me step outside. I hope my alarm is not on. Okay, I cut it off because it would have made a loud sound. Is it too dark out here? I'm not going to be on long because I have work to do. Credit work. It might be too dark. Okay, just getting a little lighter. All right. So, a young man, 24 years old. I love it. I love it when I work with 20-year-old, people to really educate them on credit and cash flow at an early age. And I left my earbuds. So, you are joining in. Hit like and hit share. And if you're having problems hearing me, let me know. On my AirPods. I left them at work somewhere. So, the question was, or I realized I got the email and I called him back instantly. Thank you so much, Joseph. Thank you so much. Make sure that you hit like and hit share. Is that did you get that affidavit signed while you're liking my post for those inquiries? Mr. Curry, you better mail it off. So, this young 24-year-old man, I called him immediately. Send me an email, watch me on YouTube. And he said, look, I'm pretty sure everything reporting on my credit report is accurate. It's true. Appreciate your... Mr. Curry. Dude, what am I going to do with you? Come on now. Get that stuff done. Get those inquiries off your credit report. And you paid me for it. Get it done now. Come on. You know how much I value my name, right? Anyone that, I value my name in my work. But let me get to the topic. I'm playing on Facebook tonight because I have some credit stuff to do. So he asked me, he said, look, this stuff is pretty much true. And I explained to him, I said, it's not if the information is true. This is the difference between disputing and challenging. I'm not saying that, hey, this is not mine, unless it's a debt or a collection agency, because if a third party is trying to collect from you, then technically the debt is not yours. It's because you don't owe them, right? But I told him, well, this is what I do. The 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, has to report 100% accurate information, right? 100% accurate information. So if they are saying that you paid late, what proof or evidence do they have of that late payment? If it is true that you filed bankruptcy, then the question is it legal for the credit reporting agencies to report your bankruptcy? That when you write a letter to the bankruptcy court, they tell you, we don't provide your information to the 3 major credit bureaus. You can contact the clerk, of course, and they will send you back that information on email. So if the law, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, says that anything that's reported on a consumer's credit report must have evidence from the original furnisher or creditor, then how is this information verified? And did they verify the correct way before they put it on your report? This is the strategies, and this is the difference between challenging and disputing, right? Now, sometimes there are things on people's credit report that they're not aware of, and it's not theirs, and they are victims of identity theft, and that has to be handled accordingly. But if you're telling me, okay, Ms. Coach Deloach, this is true, I was late, it's a charge off, it's a collection, right? Did you follow the 8 or 9 steps according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, right? There are so many violations that billions of people that are coming to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So if you're in the Mississippi area or Alabama or Memphis or Tennessee or even Texas, you need to come to this workshop, my workshop, with my host, Mr. Kevin Young. That's going to be October 27th, 2018, Jackson, Mississippi, downtown Marriott, because I'm going to show you, I'm going to drop these jewels, if you're there in attendance, of the most violations of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, how to challenge things or dispute if you really are a victim of identity theft. I tell people in the Black and brown community, a lot of you are, because your mama or your daddy or somebody put stuff in your name when you was 12 or 13 years old that's carrying over now. You're 21, 22. And so, and then I advise him to sign up for the credit education system. He had a very, very heartfelt story. I love this young man, and I hope we work together. He was very honest with me about everything. He said, Miss Coach Deloach, you know, my parents didn't have good credit. Most people in my family didn't have good credit, and I want to break that cycle, right? So I asked him some background questions. Well, how did you get to this point? You know, and, you know, I appreciate your mindset change and that shift that you have. So unfortunately, I can't stay on Facebook for long. I have work to do, and I just came from the gym, got in the workout, and, you know, that's how my evenings are. But I love it. And I love it when people tell me their dreams and aspirations, whether it's to own a home or get out of debt or get lower interest rates, right? Fees, or they're just, you know, looking for answers to their financial solutions, right? Because when you're sick, you go to a doctor who is a specialist. When you need physical fitness, you go to a trainer or a gym. And so when you need financial solutions, credit solutions, then you need to see me, right? Because I don't know all the cash flow details, but I do know that cash flow is way, way more effective than budgeting. You do need to budget, right? You do need to see where you can cut costs. You do need to see if you're eating Chick-fil-A every day or Burger King or Starbucks, right? But cash flow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Cash flow is way more effective than budgeting, because cash flow can allow you to bring $200 to $600 more out of your paycheck, right? And then you balance that off by having business tax deductions and being a part of the home-based business. Thank you so much that I am a part of my econ. So if you're watching me on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and right next to that's the bell, that's the notification button. And if you're watching me on Facebook, make sure that you hit follow first, and also register www if you're in the Mississippi or surrounding areas for the cash flow. My cash flow is power. My credit and cash flow is power conference. I'm telling you, we're going to be dropping jewels, things that I don't share in my videos. Behind the scene is only a $10 fee. And if you are serious about your financial future and you're ready, you need to be there. The website to register is www.mycreditandcashflow.com. I mean, we're coming with a tag team, right? A tag team conference is forever going to change your life. Make sure you hit like and hit share. My name on YouTube, I think it's Miss Coach Deloach, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's Miss Coach Deloach. But what I do is in the comment section of this, I will share my YouTube link. Any questions for anyone that's on that I can answer real quick, because I have like 2 minutes. I have some homeowners. Thank you, Joseph. Man, these homeowners are aggressive, so I got to get on their work like right now. I got this young man, 27, his wife out of Texas, Round Rock, Texas, that I got to get to his work. So any questions right now? Any questions, any comments on Facebook that I can answer real quick? Thank you. You are so welcome. Make sure you are, if this information was helpful to you, hit like and hit share. Reach out to me if you need a credit education, right? And you need cash flow strategies. It's $47.95 to join. If you need advanced credit coaching and help, thank you for the digital love in the hearts. Then just send me a quick message, right? Some people don't have the time for do-it-yourself credit repair, but I tag team with you together, give you the consulting and coaching that you need to fix your credit fast, right? I mean, fix your credit fast. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining in. So busy making money, but I'm going to in the morning. I'm going to message you in the morning because I've mailed you that twice Mr. Curry, to get those inquiries off your report. So I'm going to message you and remind you, right? So you all, thank you so much. Again, register October the 27th, downtown Jackson Marriott, 200 East Amish Street. It's only $10. It will change your financial future. I'm dropping nuggets that you don't hear me. Thank you so much for the hearts on Facebook or YouTube. Discuss behind closed doors. A lot of people ask me, will I offer live streaming for private? I will look into that. But this is register Eventbrite. You're in Mississippi or surrounding states. www.mycreditandcashflowispower.com. If you're interested in cash flow strategies for $47.95, there's a one-time sign-up fee. I will send you the link. It gives you credit strategies where you can increase your paycheck $200 to $600 a month, right? Legally, right? Loophole things you don't know. $47.95 one time, and then if you have advanced credit coaching or counseling that you need to remove charge-offs, collections. Hey, I'm not hit, but do you know someone had an $8,000 collection account that through the validation letter they did not owe because they followed the process? $8,000. The only thing I thought was, I might should have charged them more for my validation letters. But hey, it is what it is. I'm telling you all, you need to make sure that you contact me because my demand is getting so high that the higher my demand for my credit and cash flow coaching, well, the cash flow is always going to be a set price. But my coaching, credit coaching, the higher, the fees have to get a little higher for that because my time becomes more valuable and more scarce. So, hey, hit like and hit share. Facebook, have a terrific Tuesday. Hope this information helped you. Have a great night. I'm signing off. Time to go to work. Miss Coach Deloach.